A few weeks ago, my friend and superfan Harold Akey requested a cover from me of Stryper's "To Hell with the Devil," and there is no way I'm going to try to replicate that. They have done it so well. There's no possibility that anybody on the planet could do justice to cover it as is. So I thought, what could I do? And then I realized I'll try a reggae mashup. And Bob Marley's Three Little Birds came to mind, and it seemed to work. I couldn't make up my mind, though, whether to use the chorus or the verse for the chorus and the verse of "To Hell with the Devil" by Stryper. So I am going to do the verse for the first part and then the chorus for the second verse of "To Hell with the Devil." And I came up with a little chorus of my own, keeping it in the same key. Hopefully I've done some justice here to this. Harold, I've been working on it for weeks to make it perfect, but it's been a rough few days at work for Harold, especially today, so I'm going to do it. Here it is, right here. We're just going to, this is it. Speak of the devil, he's no friend of mine. To turn from him is what we've got in mind. Just a liar and a thief, the word tells us so. We'd like to let him know where he can go. To hell with the devil. To hell with the devil. When things are going wrong, you know who to blame. He will always live up to his name. Never been the answer. There's a better way. We are here to rock you and say, hey, hey, to hell with the devil. To hell with the devil. Here you go, Harold. To hell with the devil. Making the Adirondacks great again.